Hello YouTube, the Two Cool Stew. This will be the first video of the snowstorm that's hit in New York City in the East Coast from February 3rd, 2014 to February 4th. Right now it's about 1 a.m. and so I'm going to do a video of the radar showing what's going to go on. It's expected we're getting at 5 to 8 inches of snow. For people that don't watch my videos, I'm in Brooklyn, New York. Check out my other weather videos if you're interested. And yeah, so I'm gonna show the radar here. Right now we're with the storm warning, and the white I think is with the storm watch. I don't know why there's no key for this. Right now it's 43 degrees Fahrenheit, feels like 43. Humidity 76%, wind speed 3 miles per hour, and dew point 36 degrees, visibility 10 miles per hour. So see, tonight cloudy or rain and snow showers, low near 35. Winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 70%. Alright, so, excuse me. So I'm going to play the radar here. It goes intervals of 2 hours, so the first time I'm going to read the time. Every time it changes, second time you just do it in your head. So say it's 12:50. I'm going to have to load this again. Looks like it didn't load properly. Sorry about that. I have to put it on slow speed. Sorry. Alright, that's 1 a.m. 2:55, 4:55, 6:45, 8:30, 10:30, 12:30, 2:20, 4:17, 6:11, 8:06, 10 o'clock. Alright, so I'll play it again this time. This time you guys do the 2-hour intervals. Oh, it actually looks like it's going to clear out at Tuesday midnight. So it might not carry into Tuesday, just end there. It's like the heaviest of snow is going to be around, let me look at the time again. Let's see, 1 a.m., 3 a.m., 5 a.m., 7 a.m., 9 a.m. Looks like around 9 to 1, 9 to 2 is to be the heaviest snowfall. So as I said, we expected 5 to 8 inches. For school closings, I'll put a link in the description. See if your school is closed, or early dismissal, or delay for opening, etc. Now I don't have school because I just have to pick up my program schedule. But yeah, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching YouTube. Check out my other other weather videos on my channel. I'll be uploading footage of the storm soon. Preferably in the morning, of course. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to my channel, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.